A man who fears suffering is already suffering from what he fears. A lack of boundaries invites a lack of respect. Mind your business, achieve your goals, and make moves in silence. Share your progress, not your goals, and you'll always be motivated. What's done in the dark will always find a way to shine. If you look younger than your age, it means that you have to face the difficulties of the time very well. If any person disrespects you in a crowded gathering, then you should respond to your disrespect with such respect that the person in front of you will be ashamed and himself will be disrespected. One beam nitrogen monoxide, matter how strong, cannot support an entire house. A good woman is not interested in your money or your status. What she wants from you is your time, loyalty, love, and commitment. Before you start something, figure out how to finish it.